Here we have a leather strop. It's basically a piece of leather glued onto a wooden board. And you're supposed to smear this compound on it, like so. Also, sometimes what you want to do is have the fibers of the leather stick out. So I use this grill brush to kind of lightly brush the top of it. And what that does is it gets the fibers to stick out a bit, like that. I got a couple of my EDC knives here, everyday carry knives, and I've been using them for a couple of months now, and they need a bit of a touch up. So I'm gonna go ahead and strop them. Stropping your knife gives your blade edge this mirror finish, which also looks pretty cool, apart from being super sharp. And you don't really need to sharpen your knives if you strop them often. I usually do this every couple of months, and I use my knife every day. And here's my cryo. I usually take my cryo when I'm gonna go fishing or hiking or something like that. There you go. Nice and shiny.